everyone, welcome back to X-STRUCTION. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a walk around of the Redesign 2025 Ram 1500 Limited. This here used to be the top of line trim for the Ram 1500, but now the tungsten overtook it. But I'm still really excited to do this one, and I will do a tungsten in the future when I can. But first, they put out the regular tradesmen through Bighorn, and now limiteds are finally coming to dealers all over. So some tungstens are out, but for now at my local dealer it's only a limited. But that's still pretty cool because I love the limited. It's also super luxurious. So here you get these amazing fully LED headlights up there. That beautiful look on them. And they wear. You get a fully chrome grille with your Ram logo and your camera beneath the Ram. And then, yeah, there's same taillights right there. This looks really nice. I mean, same headlights. I don't know why I keep calling them taillights. Taillights are on the back. And then you got that fully chrome bumper with your fog lights and recovery hooks. You get these beautiful wheels here that are chrome too. And then your SST high output, which is your Hurricane high output engine making 540 horsepower, making this the quickest Ram 1500 ever built. You have your Ram Limited, which is the plate that goes the whole way down and slightly onto your bed. You have power deployable running boards, and then you get 17 mpg combined, and this truck here is priced at $75,000, which that is actually extremely expensive. And then you can see you have the optional Ram box here, so you just reach down and you push in that little button, and then you can lift this up, and then inside your Ram box you have space. Nice. And you even get lights, but you can lock this Ram box. You can lock any Ram box on the truck and keep the rest of the truck unlocked if you have something in there that you do not want getting stolen, by taking the key out of the key fob and locking it in that little keyhole right there. There's taillights there. I mean, those wheels there look awesome. You get these beautiful taillights right here, fully LED taillights with your reverse light in there that match the RHO's taillights, which the RHO is a pretty sweet truck too. So check out my video on which one's better if you want. You have this amazing chrome here, your limited 4x4, and then you have your multifunction tailgate, Ram's version of it. So you pull the top and it comes down. Okay, and then you can see you have your brake light up there, and then you lift that back up. So that's so you can fit more cargo in more easily. If you want, you get your trailering outlets and stuff in there, and then you just close these up. So like I said, down, opens, and then you have this little thing here, right, to open. So it is a very nice truck, just like the RHO is, but I do like the Ram box. You get to fuel up right there, and then you get your body color door handles, and then your power deployable running boards. And then inside, this truck feels very low to the ground, especially when you have the power deployable running boards. But yeah, inside you get this beautiful screen here. You get your this is standard on the limited. You get your passenger side screen with your button right there to open, to turn it on. There you have plenty of storage in there. You have these beautiful leather seats meant strictly for the limited. You got your special limited stitching with limited embedded into it. You pull this up, you get storage with a USB port. And you pull this up, you get more storage. Then you can push down here, get storage in there. Push down here, get cup holders in there. You get wireless charging pads, and then plenty of storage down in there. So wireless charging pads, plenty of storage. All kinds of auxiliaries. And then you can push in this little button, and you can make storage up further front, or you can move it up and make storage more back. But if you have it further up, you have your history of the Ram trucks, and you can lift that up and make a little bit of storage for yourself too. But you do have that really cool history of the Ram trucks down there. And then you got your measuring table right there. And these beautiful limited seats. Standard of luxury trucks. Leather care guide. Awesome. Beautiful leather. So some cloth, but mainly leather. The perfect mix of cloth and leather. And wood trim. Sunglass holders. Got a Harman Kardon stereo up there. You get a head-up display that displays your speed and stuff under the windshield, so you don't need to look down at your digital display here, but you still can. You get your stop and start button. And then your park, reverse, neutral, and drive settings right here. And all your four-wheel drive settings also. You get wood trim on your steering wheel too. And then nice steering wheel. You do not get paddle shifters though, but in that RHO next to me you do, as in all RHOs. You get these beautiful headlight. Turn that knob to turn your headlights on. And then you have your air vents with all your climate control settings along your 14-inch touchscreen. You can either get this in 12 or 14-inch depending on the Ram truck, but in the Limited it comes standard as 14 inches. You get your Limited logo over there, and like I said, these beautiful seats. I can't get sick of this truck, and it is the quickest Ram truck at a 4.1 second sprint to 60 mph if you really try. You get chrome along your windows too, and inside the back you get your Limited. Close this door, and you have that same leather right there on your seats, and you have your wood trim and your extra leather there with, oh, so nice. This truck is awesome. You have all kinds of nice leather feel the whole way across, and something that Ram's starting to do, putting the same leather in the middle seat as they do here, though most trucks do not do that. You can pull this forward and the whole thing comes down, giving you plenty of storage in there and your cup holders. So instead of just a little bit of the seat coming down, you can bring this whole seat down simply by pulling this tab. So just watch out because it comes down quick. Then you have another tab here. You can pull that if all the seats are brought down. And then you have these cup holders here with your USB-C and USB ports, your 115 volt outlet. And then, does this have under seat storage? Yes, it does. You get under seat storage. This is awesome. It's a very nice truck. And then that's your view up to the front. It's a beautiful view up there. So 17 mpg combined. You get this massive sunroof, all your amazing stuff up there. And yeah, that's a beautiful truck. Oh gosh, this thing's awesome. Now that's what you get for 80 grand. It's a beautiful truck. For all that money you spend, you get Ram box lettering here. And yeah, like I said, beautiful truck for all that money you spend. And it does look awesome being next to the RHO because they're basically the same truck, just this one's more focused on luxury as that one's focused on replacing the TRX and stuff. So thanks for watching.